the reason of many 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 truthful preacher or honest preacher here in social media being accused of a fraud, though they preach the whole truth of the gospel. Still, they are being accused of fraud and scammer or false teacher and false minister is because of the so-called servant that always preach about money, money, money. They never preach how to come to the Lord and repent of their sin and be saved. They always talk about and teach about money, how to gain wealth, how to. I'm not against. I'm not against how to get wealth because it is. You see, it is in the words of God. Because the words of God says we have been given the power how to get wealth in Deuteronomy, if I'm not mistaken. Deuteronomy. We have given the power how to get wealth. So, but it is not the main purpose of the servant of God to be called by God is to preach and to teach the words of God to the unsaved people, not to teach how to get wealth and money from the people. That's the reason many of faithful servant of God being accused of fraud, though they are honest person and servant of God, and they prayed and work in spiritual with their own whole power and strength through the grace of God. They still accused of being fraud and scammer or fake false teacher because of those preacher or teacher that teaching about money. They concluded how to